Hey fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to the Andrew Huff channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today to dive into something fun, efficient, and incredibly versatile, the Renpho Smart Skipping Rope. As you can see just here. Whether you're looking to spice up your cardio, track your progress, or find a workout solution for tight spaces, the skipping rope is here to impress. Stick around, because I'm going to unbox it, set it up, test it out in real world conditions, and let you know exactly how it performs. Guys, trust me, this is going to be fantastic. And there you go, you can see it just there as well. Isn't that such a great skipping rope? It looks really good. Now before we jump in, literally, make sure you check out my other fitness reviews linked below. From wearable tech to gym equipment, I've got plenty of recommendations to keep you motivated and moving. And also check out our Renpho playlist as well. Let's start with the unboxing. Right out of the box, the Renpho Smart Skipping Rope looks sleek and professional. The handles are compact but comfortable, made with non-slip silicone for a firm grip. Even when you're working up a sweat, it comes with a 3-meter steel wire rope coated with durable PVC for smooth, tangle-free performance. Guys, what's great is that it's adjustable as well. So it fits everyone from kids to adults. Oh, and there's extra PVC included to keep the rope protected. Perfect for indoor and outdoor use. And you can also see the bag that it comes with here. So chuck it in your gym bag, you can use it as you're running around. Now here's the unique part. It's cordless too. If you're working out a small space or worry about hitting the gym, or worry about hitting furniture, you can switch to the cordless mode using included weight balls. It mimics the real skipping experience without the risk of tangling. I tested this mode in my living room, and it's a game changer for rainy days or tight spaces. Now guys, we're going to take this out in a minute, actually show you how we use it. We're going to use it at the back, use it at the gym, use it inside, so you guys can see exactly what you think and how it actually works. So let's do that now. So as you guys know, I love to do fitness. Now I've set up my Renpho app now, and it's tracking the actual rope. Now it's very easy. Put the phone down and I'll just start to do the reps. So turned it on, it's connected, and let's start doing the reps. So kick back, and you've got to make sure that the rope to start with is all tied up correctly. So I've got a little bow there, so let me get that one out. Okay, let's start doing the exercises and see how it goes. So give yourself some room. So do it over here, and let's go. So there you go, how was that? I just did a workout. Let's go and have a look at what it says on the Renpho. There you go, it's got 15 jumps on there, which I just did. 50 calories burnt. You've got all different options like time countdown, numbers countdown. You can see how you can use it straight away with the app. It really is good. And great skipping rope to use. Wow, well, wasn't that a workout? Wasn't it great? And guys, the highlight for me though, is not just using it, but the smart connectivity. The Renpho Smart Skipping Rope pairs with the Renpho Health app via Bluetooth. The app tracks everything: jump count, time spent skipping, calories burnt, you name it. I love how it stores your data so you can monitor your progress over time and even set goals. Whether you're working on weight loss, endurance, or just adding variety to your fitness routine, this app has you covered. Now, I tried the free jump mode for a quick cardio burst and then switched to countdown timer mode for a timed interval session. It was easy to navigate and super motivating to see the stats in real time on the app. Guys, I also love the built-in LCD display as well. You can see it just here. So you turn it on by holding down the button there, like that, and the LCD display comes on. Now, what's great about it is it's backlit, clear, and provides an instant overview for your skipping data, ideally if you're outdoors, away from your phone. Speaking of outdoor use, as you could see, I tested the rope on different surfaces. Concrete, wood, cobblestones, tiles, performs seamlessly on all of them. And this is thanks to its durable TPU steel wire construction. And guys, let's not forget comfort. As you can see, I've got these in my hands just here, and they're really comfortable. The silicone handles are ergonomically designed and non-slip, making them comfortable even during extended skipping sessions. They're also not too heavy as well, so you won't get any kind of wear on your wrist. And I use them. There's going to be no blisters from these, no slipping, smooth, uninterrupted cardio. It's lightweight enough for quick movements, but solid enough to feel substantial. Now let's talk about the fun part, because you guys know I love listening to music when I'm working out. So I test these with my favorite dance tracks and house music. I have to say, when I'm in the zone, skipping away, I really got into it. You can hear the beat. So I listened to like David Guetta, Calvin Harris, and the intervals were great. And I literally used my headphones. I used my earbuds, the JBL ones, and just got into it. You can use these for endurance training. You can use them for quick cardio bursts. and it really makes dance feel a part of what you're doing. So these are becoming part of my routines already. I do workouts 3 times a day. I do weights, cardio, and I love doing Pilates for my fitness. So check out the reviews there. But what's good about these? Well, versatility. The Smart Skipping Rope is perfect for anyone, whether you're beginner or advanced, working at home or hitting the gym. Pop it into your bag, pop it into the bag, and guys, you can use it anywhere. Smart features. The Bluetooth-enabled app is a standout. Tracking your goals and setting goals adds so much more to it. And you can pair this with your Renpho app, as we spoke about, because I do your weights on there, do your skipping. It's great. It's also built to last. You see this rope just here? Durable PVC coated steel wire and ergonomic silicone handles. Even during intense sessions, it stays comfortable and secure, letting you focus on your fitness. And there it is, just there again. Now, again, as I said, I really do love this. It really does look good. Now, let's talk about fitness benefits. Skipping itself, guys, is one of the most efficient cardio exercises, burning calories, improving coordination, and boosting cardio health. After incorporating the Renpho Smart Skipping Rope into my routine for just a couple of weeks, I've noticed an increase in my endurance and agility. Whether it was for HIIT sessions or a quick warm-up or fun, it kept me more moving and motivated. Okay guys, here I'm testing out the Renpho Smart Rope. It's a smart rope that's Bluetooth enabled that goes to the app. I'm doing a full review about it, but I thought I'd show you guys just now. Now I'm sweating, it's 38 degrees in Brisbane, and I'm doing a workout, but I thought I'd show you guys what it's like. So it's Bluetooth controlled. There's the cable there. There it is there, pairs to the app, and it works really, really well. So let's go and jump in and start using it. And you can see me in my, my fitness. So there you go, how was that? So using the Renpho Smart Rope, really, really good. The Renpho Health app syncs seamlessly with other Renpho products, like their smart scales, like the Renpho Smart Scale 1, to give you a picture of your fitness progress. Track your weight, BMI, and body percentage alongside your skipping data to see how your workouts are paying off. And after an intense skipping session, why not pair it with a Renpho massager? Guys, the perfect way to soothe sore muscles and prep for your next workout. And we've done many reviews from eye massages, back massages, skipping ropes, foot massages. It really is great with Renpho, and it really does give you a total solution for your fitness. So, well guys, for cardio, this is a solid 9 out of 10. The versatility of both rope and cordless modes, the smart tracking features, and the durability makes it a must-have for fitness enthusiasts at any level. Whether you're starting off or doing it, this works perfectly. It's portable, easy to use, and incredibly effective at helping you hit your goals. So if you want to upgrade your cardio game, want to join it, I can't recommend this enough. Let me know if you're doing fitness, check out my shoe reviews, everything I'm doing, but we really appreciate you joining the channel. And links below, if you purchase, it does support us as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this today. Check out the Renpho Skipping Rope. It really is fantastic. Thanks for joining us here at the Andrew Huff channel.